Hello, everyone. Okay, we're going to go over the Matt AI registration. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is get your link from your sponsor. You're either going to get it through a WhatsApp message, text message, or an email. So you click on the link. I'm just looking at it from my daughter's WhatsApp. I'm just going to click on the link. So this is the affiliate link that you will receive from your sponsor. So once you click on it, if it's in a different language, and you got Google Translate, click on English and translate. And if it's still in a different language, click on the flag on the top right corner, change it to the American flag, and everything should be in English. Okay, you have a choice of registering with mobile or through email. So I'm going to click on email registration. Okay, so create a username first. At least 6 letters and numbers is required. So I'm going to use a capital letter and some small letters and a bunch of numbers. And you also have to create a nickname that is unique and not in the system already. If there is a common nickname, it will not allow you to register. Okay, so graphic verification code on the right, 4795. Keep an eye on that. Sometimes that changes. And if it's different, obviously you're not going to be able to register. Okay, it says SMS verification, but it's supposed to be an email address, so they haven't fixed that yet. So this is where I'll enter my email address at gmail.com. Okay, next. This is where I'll end up putting the verification code from my email. It still says phone number, but don't worry about that. It should say email. Here's the invitation code that's automatically populated from the link I clicked on. So let's put in the login password. And make sure it's at least 8 characters long with small letters and big letters and some numbers. And do not use special characters, please, because it's going to cause you issues with your payment password later on. And I'll explain why in the payment password video. Okay, read the user agreement and then click on the dot there that I have read and agree with the user agreement. And then make sure that the graphic code is still okay, 4795. Okay, if for any reason anything goes wrong, always refresh this page and start over if you don't get a confirmation that you've succeeded in the registration. So once you have everything in, now you're going to get the code. So click on it, click on the get. The timer has to go off in order for the code to start. See, the timer is not going off, so there's something wrong here. What could go wrong here? I'm pretty sure I'll still get the email. Let me see. I'm going to check the verification code here. I'm just checking my email. I can check on the top here. I have it logged in. Inbox. Okay, here's the code. 787119. Let's go back and finish the registration. 787119. But the timer hasn't gone off. 119. So I'm pretty sure I won't be able to register because the timer went off. Register now. I registered and it got through. Okay, usually the timer is supposed to go off, but it kind of worked. So it just leads you to this page. Whenever you get to this page after successful registration, you just go back to the page that you were on. Of course, make sure it's in English. And you scroll all the way down below register now and you click on existing account. So you click on that and this is where you will register your login now, because we already saw the register successful button that showed up. I don't know why it worked that time, but usually you need the timer to go off when you hit the get button. Okay, so let's log in. Okay, and then put my password. And then here's another verification code. Okay, and then just confirm, and it should take me in. And here is the user interface. Okay, this is the Matt AI user interface on my computer. And when you get to the screen, you can just right click, hit the word inspect. It'll bring it down to a smaller size. And don't worry about everything on the right. And That's it. That's how you register. So if for any reason the registration doesn't go through on that registration page, just make sure that you refresh the page or go back to the link and click on it again. There are various reasons why it could not work. It could be the browser that you're on. Could be that you've typed in the password or the confirmation password incorrectly. So those are the things that you have to be careful with. Okay. So thanks for watching.